In this video, I would like to show you how we could use Microsoft OneNote in delivering lectures online. Um, we usually use Microsoft PowerPoint to develop our lecture slides and share with the students, or convert them into PDF and then upload as handouts. Now, when I teach online, I usually want to annotate and also comment on the sites so that the students can take notes and or maybe highlight the parts of let's say images that I'm sharing. For example, in this case, I may want to highlight this episode here of Crisis, or this episode, and give more details by, let's say, commenting and annotating this graph. In that case, that may not be possible, especially with the Microsoft PowerPoint in a presentation mode. So what I'll do is I will use Microsoft OneNote to do the annotation on the slides. For that, I need to transfer my slides onto the Microsoft OneNote. So I'll highlight now all the slides that I have here. So on the left-hand side bar, it just gives me the slides of this presentation. So I'll just do Control A to select all the slides, and right-click, copy the slides, and I have opened earlier a OneNote file here. So I'm going to come and just do Control V to paste the slides from the clipboard. Now it's pasting. My computer appears to be a bit slower than usual. Right, so slides now are pasted. Let's check. I have now with Microsoft OneNote, I can now annotate these slides, or I can sort of highlight. Let's say with this image, it will be easier. This image, yeah. Maybe while lecturing online, I may share this file with the screen with my students, and I may be talking about this. For example, episode of Crisis. Let's say I'm going to change to black color here. This episode, or maybe the post-World War II period. And I may also, for example, list ideas here that could be useful for students, or I may ask the students, for example, brainstorm ideas or discuss this page. And then ask them to list their ideas, or ask them to give me the ideas so that I can list them for them. This is the flexibility of Microsoft OneNote. I can, for example, I may want to show the let's say shift of aggregate supply curve to left. In that case, I could draw it here on this graph, or supply and demand curve shifting, or any other sort of drawing that I may need to do.